How to lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card in the app. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide on that. So let's get started. First of all, we may open up the application on our screen and log in into our banking application. And once we do so, we need to go over and scroll down from the main page until we go to the account management section. So find this section right here and tap on this option called debit card settings within this account space and open it up. Now once we open it up here, we'll be finding our debit card that we have, and within there we'll be finding a login option as well. So we just need to swipe up and select up the debit card that we wanna basically lock or unlock and tap on the lock option and tap on this lock card option, confirm it up. You can review the terms and lock the card and stop before conforming with the real data, and you'll be finding your card being locked and unlock option right below it. So if you want to unlock it once again, head over to the same process and go to the manage card sections, and there will be finding option for unlock. So go ahead and tap on that option, and once we unlock it, the card will be available on your screen again. You can just go over and confirm it up, and that's it. And there we go. Now, this is how you should be able to log or unlock your Bank of America debit card in the application, which is pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful, and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.